Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to show you how to download PDF files. For that, you just need to visit our website, which is softwaretestingsapiens.com. So type software testing sapiens. So here you can see our website. Click on this, and here you can see our home page. And here it is: QA jobs, interview, free downloads, blog, tutorials tabs. For PDF files, click on this free downloads tab. And here you can see the latest free resources. Suppose you want to download this best software testing tools in 2023. So click on this and scroll down. Here you can see the download icon. Click on this button. And here it asks you to wait for 20 seconds. Just wait. And click on this green button. Again it asks you to click on this link download. Click on. Done. Here you can see the PDF file. Okay. So from here you know very well how to download. Done. Thank you.